Warning. What you are about to watch may make you question everything you thought you knew. Viewer discretion is advised.
About 2 weeks ago, I ordered Shane Dawson merch, and I'm pretty excited, you guys. This is my first ever like YouTube merch or like ordering from YouTubers.
If you know what I mean.
I don't think you know what I mean. But I ordered 3 things from Shane Dawson from Amazon, and I'm really excited to open them because all his merch is literally so iconic, and I'm really shook. I'm just really excited to open it, so I think we should get opening it. You know what I mean? Okay. So I have the box right here in front of me. I'm sorry if I'm sweating, you guys. It's legit hot in my room, and I don't want to turn on the fan because that makes so much noise, and I'm not with that. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay, so I'm gonna save this big item for last because this was probably the most expensive item in like the shopping thing. So first, let's start with this. I already know what this is because of the shape of the packaging. So you guys probably already do too. So I ordered this pop socket, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's the Illuminati triangle with the fire in the background. I'll insert a clip right here if you guys can't see it. But I'm really excited to put this on my phone because my old pop socket is fading. It's from Joseph Anthony. I've had this for so long that it's fading, and I'm really excited to get a new one from Shane Dawson. You know what I mean? So here's the pop socket, you guys. Here's a closer look. As you can see, it's the Illuminati triangle with the fire in the back, and I'm really excited to put this on my phone. You guys don't even know. So it's basically a normal pop socket, and if you guys don't know what a pop socket is, you put it behind your phone, and you just hold your phone like that. You know? Like that. And it pops up and down. So that's really cool about pop sockets. So let me show you an example of my pop socket. Why am I saying pop socket like that? I'm saying it like pop socket. So here it is. So here's one of my pop sockets that I have. This one's from Joseph Anthony. If you guys want to go get it, I'll leave it down below. He was kind enough to give me one. And yeah, so you don't have to hold your phone like this. You can hold it like that when you pop it up, and then you can. So yeah, that's that. Okay, you guys, so for the second item, I'm really excited because I see Shane wearing this in every single video, and I'm like, that's iconic. I need to get the iconic Shane t-shirt. So the one I'm talking about is the oh my god, 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 oh my god. How many oh my gods is there? The oh my god picture, you guys. Look how iconic that is. And look, it feels so nice. The fabric they use, it feels so nice and sturdy. I did have to get a size bigger for this one just because I read the reviews on it, and they did recommend you getting a size bigger just because it is cotton and it will shrink in the dryer when you wash it and dry it. So I recommend like you get a bigger size. I am going to try it on, but I know once I dry it in the dryer it is going to shrink a bit, so it's just a heads up if you want to buy his merch. So I honestly really love the graphic on this t-shirt. It has a little pig and oh my god, 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 oh my god. So cute, you guys. I'm really loving this. Okay, so for this next and last item, I'm really excited because this was probably the most expensive item there is in his shop, I think. Yeah, and so this item okay, so the pop socket was $16, $15.99, and the shirt was like around $20 to $25. And the sweater was the most expensive. That one, I just said what I got last. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys. So this sweater is the Shane Dawson Illuminati sweater. I wanted this.
Warning. What you are about to watch may make you question everything you thought you knew. Viewer discretion is advised.
I was either gonna get the shirt or the oh my god pig sweater, but then I chose with this one and the oh my god pig shirt. So this one is the Shane Dawson Illuminati sweater, and I'm really excited because this is probably like another iconic one because the Illuminati, you know how conspiracy theories he does. And yeah, it feels so nice. The fabric they use is a little bit softer than the shirt, And the Illuminati looks so vibrant, and the Shane, Dawson, I'm really in love with this. I'll show off how they look. And this one I just got the normal size because all the reviews were normal and they say they don't shrink, so it's nice with them. So honestly, guys, I got all of this just because I'm excited for Shane's new series, The Mind of Jake Paul. And I've been a fan of Shane for almost 2-3 years now, and I love his content. I think his content is amazing. His documentary series, everything he does is amazing, so I decided to support him. And if you guys want to support him, then go ahead. I'll leave the link down below where you can find all his like stuff. I'm really excited. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, and if you want to see me review more like YouTubers merch, then go ahead and comment down below which YouTuber I should get. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Dawson is a legend in the film. They like to stand him.